Hello and welcome to a mini tutorial from Upvc Spares for Repairs. We all know how expensive this fuel has become, but not many of us realise how we can save energy, particularly if you've not checked around your doors and windows to see whether or not the weather seal or the draft seal gaskets are actually intact, or if the hinges on the windows are functioning correctly. So the best way to do this is to open your window, have a look round at the gaskets to see if there are any gaps, see if the gaskets are perished in any way, and also on this side of the window, when you close the window too, the hinge in the corner has got a pointed locator that pulls the window in tightly against those gaskets. If the little locator in the corner isn't functioning correctly, all that happens is the gap remains open and therefore drafts can come in. Try it around your windows with a small match lit to see if you're getting a draft. Every draft is blowing money down the drain. Right down the drain. You've paid to warm that property of yours up with your expensive electric, oil or gas, and as soon as it gets the opportunity of cooling down, that's when that boiler switches on again. So check your doors, check your patios and your French doors, all of which are important. Hope that's helped, hope it saves you money, and let's keep looking for those savings.